In this classroom, we have whiteboards and displays along the walls, as well as tables for students to use. First, you'll need to locate the control panel on your podium. On the screen, there'll be a button that says Press to Begin. Once you press this button, all the displays along the walls of the classroom will turn on. The overhead document camera attached to the podium will turn on as well. Once you have pressed this button and everything has turned on, you'll see a list of sources on the left side of the screen. These sources are your options for what is going to be shown on your podium monitor and the displays. Your options are Ninernet PC, laptop HDMI, laptop VGA, and document camera. Ninernet PC is the computer on the podium. If you click this button, it'll show what is on this PC. Laptop HDMI is if you have a secondary laptop that has an HDMI port. You can plug the HDMI cord located on the podium into the laptop. Once you click the button, the displays will show what is on the laptop. Laptop VGA is if you have a secondary laptop with a VGA port. You can also find the VGA cord on the podium. Last on the list is the document camera. Once you click this button, it'll show you a list of options in the middle of the screen. These control the document camera. The first listed is the power button. This will turn the document camera on and off. You can use this panel to adjust the lights on the document camera by turning off all lamps or turning on the arm or back lamps individually. You can also use this panel to zoom the camera in or out, rotate the image, or freeze the image. There are also buttons on the document camera itself to control these features. To return to the main menu and no longer show the document camera screen, you can press the button of the source you want to use. On the bottom right side of the screen, there's a button that says System Tools. Once you click this button, it'll give you control options for the displays around the room. On the left side, you can select any of the displays to operate them. You can turn them on and off or mute the video to them with the buttons on the right side of the screen. On the bottom right of the screen, there are options to select the source routed to the displays. You can either route the podium source or the table's HDMI. The table's HDMI is if a student has a separate laptop that has an HDMI port. The HDMI cord can be found plugged into each individual display.